Do you find it time consuming to come up with?
Interesting hooks, titles, or even thumbnail ideas.
There are 4 free tools within Canva that you've probably never tried. Have you ever been sick while editing a video and realized you forgot to film your hook, but maybe you don't have a voice to be able to do that? This next feature is for you. We're going to choose a document, a video document, even though I think it doesn't matter what document type you're in, as long as you're not in like a Canva doc or something. I've got it right here on my left-hand side, but I'm going to show you what to do just in case you don't have it there. Go over to the app section and type in puppetry. And I've already connected to it. You do not need to sign in or make an account. I've already created a few presenters, but let me show you how it works. First thing you're going to do is create a presenter. You can let Canva choose for you, or rather puppetry choose for you, or you can choose the person type. You can choose the skin color, whatever it is that you would like. Let's go with pale. You can choose the facial expression. Let's go with playful. You can choose the hair color. This time we're going to leave it at strawberry blonde. You can choose the eyebrows. You can even choose a fashion type. So what if we do cowboy? And we're going to just create that presenter. It's going to take a little bit to generate what we're wanting. While you're waiting for that to happen, you can grab a glass of water. There she is. And I like what I see there. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, and you're going to see that the presenter is right in place. We're going to create a video, and the video is going to look something like this.
Ideation is not recording.
We're going to choose this presenter and create a video. What if I type in something like, if you're loving what you're learning today, tappity tap that like button. This is going to take a while. So if you're looking for a quick fix, this really isn't it. However, if you can't speak, then this would be a good alternative. Do you see it's processing? And it says generating videos can take 10 to 15 minutes. Create another video while waiting or come back later. While we're waiting for puppetry to do what we do, I thought that I would just go on to the next thing. I'm going to open up another tab, and I hope that this one doesn't give me an error message when I'm finished, because that sometimes happens. Feature number 2 is also hidden within apps. If you've ever struggled to find a brand's icon, this app is for you. It's called Brand Fetch. It's right here. It's actually one word. I typed it as 2, but it found it for me anyway. Look at how easy it was for me to find Amazon. Now, even better, it gives me the color codes of Amazon's brand. And I can click that and put that on the page. So that's pretty cool. It will give you images as well. That image uploaded straight to the uploads file. So YouTube, same thing. You've got logo, you've got colors, and you have images. That gives you the exact shade of red that YouTube uses in their logos. These are just fantastic if you're trying to add something to your videos or even to your thumbnails. But I caution you to read the terms and conditions. With Brand Fetch and all of these apps, if you click the 3 dots, you can get the app details, and you can scroll down, and by using this apps, you agree to the terms and conditions. It will carry you to an external place where you can read those terms and conditions. I highly recommend you read those so that you know what you can and cannot do. Puppetry is finished. Let's take a look and see what happened.
If you are loving what you're learning today, tappity tap that like button. It tells Jennifer you want more Canva tutorials like this one.
You can click the video to bring it to your design, but sometimes they might give you a little bit of trouble, like this one is giving me trouble.
Ever feel like dog do and
Well, I forgot that was what this one says. Go to your Uploads tab and slide over to Videos because all the videos created are going to be right there within it. The other thing is that these videos, they're all going to be square. I don't know whether that's going to change or not, but what you could do is just choose a color from that, like maybe this, and just let it go like that, or maybe make a design within it so that the avatar can speak while something's on the screen, anything like that. You can even adjust and make some corner roundings with a little border weight if you want. Those are just some fun ways to make a square video a little more usable for a 16:9 space. The other thing you can do is double click it and change it to a 16:9. But in the case of like this one, it just really doesn't work well because it cuts off her chin and her forehead. So keep that in mind too. You can always go to puppetry.com to create more variations, sign in, sign up, whatever. It even shows that puppetry is now on Canva. How can we make puppetry app on Canva better? And you can leave some input for them. Sometimes puppetry does not work right. You might get an error message like this one. This is actually what happened when I tried to film this last week. It kept giving me an error message. I don't know what was going on, but it would not generate the video. So I filmed something else instead. And then today it's working just fine. So also wouldn't recommend using these for an entire video, just for a little snippet like I did today. You also are going to want to make sure you disclose that you used AI video within your video. It's just the right thing to do. The next feature is for you if you get stuck generating those title and thumbnail ideas. We're going to go to the apps page, but guess what? We're going to search in YouTube on Canva. You can click this and then we can search for anything we want. Inside joke here on the Creator Classroom is that I search for pancakes a lot. So I'm going to search for pancakes again. Here we go. If someone's creating a video, how to make pancakes, then they would search for pancakes. They could look at these and go, okay, I like how to make pancakes at home, easy pancake recipe. Maybe I love that title. So I'm going to take and screenshot this title, thumbnail, and even the channel name and paste it. I use my handy dandy Stream Deck for that, but you can use Windows Shift S if you're on a PC to take a snippet of your screen. How to make pancakes, fluffy pancake recipe. Well, look at this one. Would be great for plating, like how you're going to plate your thumbnail. But it's also a great title, How to Make Pancakes, Fluffy Pancake Recipe. What if you want a vegan pancake recipe? Well, type in vegan recipe and then we've got some options. There's a lot of text here, but no egg, no milk, no butter. And then you can take that and make it your own. Canva Magic Write is an excellent reason to sign up for Canva Pro. I've got a free trial for you listed in the description. And while we're on the subject of Magic Write, we can just click the Canva Assistant. We're going to type Magic Write and we're going to brainstorm with ideas. I would love 10 titles that's about making vegan pancakes. And we're just going to click generate and it's going to generate, it should generate 10 titles for how to make vegan pancakes. And very quickly, I was able to get some thumbnail and title ideas on how to make vegan pancakes that are fluffy and delicious. The ultimate guide to vegan pancakes. Easy vegan pancake recipe for beginners. Magic Write is limited for how many you can generate each month. And for free members, it is even over the lifetime. The limits change, so I'm going to put some Magic Write information in the description below. If you are out of uses or can't afford to pay for your Canva Pro subscription, then you can always use the free version of ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted a fun way to showcase an upcoming video, speed painting might be right up your alley. Go to apps and search for speed paint. You can upload a picture, choose some of these options, and generate a speed painting. Watch this next to see how it works and how to hype up your audience for your next video. I'll see you next time. Bye.